So the process to delete Instagram account is quite easy and simple. This is updated process and it works for both Android as well as iPhone. So once it is open, tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. And once that is open, just go and tap on these three lines at the right top corner. If you tap on this, settings and privacy will appear. Now at the top, you have an option of account center. You need to tap on this. Inside here, once this is open, you need to scroll down a bit. Under account settings, the second option is personal details. Tap on personal details. Inside here at the bottom, you have an option of account ownership and control. Tap on this. Inside here, you have two options, deactivation or deletion. Tap on this. Now you have to select the account that you want to deactivate or delete. Tap on this. Now the second option is delete. As this video is to about deleting the Instagram account, you need to select this option. It says delete account. Deleting your account is permanent, and when you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. If you'd like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate. That's totally up to you. So this video is about deletion, so I selected this option. Tap on continue. Now you need to select some reason. That's totally up to you. Continue. And here you can just go and tap on continue again. It says privacy on Instagram. Nothing is more important. Whatever, that's if you want to do something else. Otherwise, if you want to delete it, go. Here you need to enter your password. And once you enter the password, tap on continue. Your account will be permanently deleted from Instagram. And hope by doing so, this video has helped you. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.